Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? I hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you will know that whenever I'm bringing videos, I have also made one or two videos. I hope you all are enjoying those also. So now we are going to do pick a card. Now this is your card 1 and this is your card 2, right? So take a couple of seconds and call on your gods, goddesses, angels or the divine, whomever you feel guided to, and select the card for you. I shall give you a couple of seconds. Okay, so now if you've selected card 1, this is the card 1. Let's see what is the card which has come. It's a beautiful card, Hina, meaning freedom. Now, this card comes when you feel there are a lot of restrictions, or sometimes, in life, we just want to walk away from everything. We don't want anything which is putting us back. It can also mean that, there is some situation where you are finding it very difficult to decide whether to continue or to leave it. Then it means just leave it and go wherever you want to go and work on wherever you want to work. See the beautiful, coincidence that it's just full moon, and we get the card Hina. She is the Hawaiian moon goddess, and she is the person who has compassion. If you feel there is something which you want to manifest and it is not happening, then you can call on her. If you feel you're planning for a child and that is not happening, then also you can call on her and she will bless you with that also. So now with that, let's see. I want to pick one more card. I had taken out another card today which I had not been using for long. It's something related to the angels. So the card which has come is Muriel. Now actually I am in love with the card mainly for its colors, to be very precise. I am just enjoying the colors here. Actually he comes, when you want to see positive things in life, and sometimes you feel energy is lacking, but you are ready to do whatever you can to become stronger and for you to regain your energy. Today I would say, when I'm seeing the wings, I feel guided that I should ask you to wear something in white today, and also if possible offer some milk to some stray animal or someone who's poor, and so that they'll be happy. So offer some milk today and wear a white color dress. Also in the morning, if possible, take little bit of milk, add a piece of cardamom to it, keep it in front of your god goddess's puja room or altar, and tell them to bless your day. And if possible, if you really have the time, then I would suggest take milk, in that mash half banana and put, and add a little bit of honey, and add a little bit of a few pods of cardamom, and then keep it. And then if possible, you can also have it and you can also give it to your family members. So that's about card 1. Now let's see what is there for card 2. Even for card 1, I'm going to pick a secret or a surprise card in the end, so stay tuned for that. Now this is card 2, a beautiful card and a very very powerful card, the Osiris. Osiris comes when you feel that you want to heal yourself mainly. Some people say Osiris comes when you want to heal relationships, because it says father, husband, brother, son. But I feel when you want to heal yourself, when you feel self love is lacking, then this card comes. Yes, sometimes to those people like me also who miss their father, for them also this card comes, because it is basically a male member who is no more with you and you miss them and you want to heal yourself to come out of that. Even for that, this card comes. So if you feel you want to heal yourself, today is the day for that. Start working on yourself, start healing yourselves, because it is never too late. Also, because it is coming as a card of healing, I would suggest wear a light green today, and if possible in the morning when you're having a bath, add a few tulsi leaves in your bath water and then have your bath, because you will feel good. So let's see what the angels are talking about it. Now this is another beautiful card, Serial. Serial comes when you feel that you want some guidance also, and you want to talk out to someone. So I would suggest, instead of talking out to someone, Just sit somewhere quiet where you will not be disturbed and just talk to the universe. Share your woes and share your troubles to the universe. Maybe your ancestors are listening and they will definitely give you all a solution and you will find yourself happy. So I want to pick a common card for both of you as an affirmation card, so that you can affirm that. This is the Miracle Now card. So today you will say 5 times in the morning before you start the day, I speak with confidence because the world needs my light. I repeat, I speak with confidence because the world needs my light. So I hope you all enjoyed the readings. Have a beautiful and blessed day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.